Hey, what's up guys? This is Napo H Barista. Today we're going to be tasting some coffees from Switchback Coffee Roasters. We're going to be tasting some of their Ethiopian coffee. This is an Ethiopian Germa Ashetu and a Nicaragua Segovia. Last week we used some of their Golden Age espresso, an espresso that we're interested in using at harvest time at our pop-up. Hello. It was really good, so we're definitely looking forward to these coffees. So we're going to start with the Ethiopian coffee. Let's go ahead and try this bad boy. Here's the roast. So you can tell in Ethiopia, because they're usually small, but they pack a lot of flavor. Okay, so we're gonna do a dose of 45 grams. Okay, I know I say this for every single video, but I'm serious. The aromas of this coffee is really intense. It's just really good. Alright guys, the coffee's ready. It's time to taste Ethiopia. Yes, let's do this. Guys, this Ethiopian coffee is banging. Switchback Coffee Roasters, you guys did a real great job with this coffee. It's really smooth. It has a real nice body. It's aromatic, both dry and in the cup. Very pungent fruit punch flavors. A little bit of key lime like the bag says. You know, all the flavors that you expect from an Ethiopian coffee is present. And I just love brewing coffee with the Chemex. Unfortunately, we're running out of time. We have some errands to run, so I won't be able to taste a Nicaraguan coffee here at home, but I have an idea. What if I stop by First Village Coffee in Ossipee, New York and taste it with a friend at the shop? This is it. Home sweet home. Why do we always show up in a place that's closed? We're gonna brew some coffee, taste some coffee. I have the Nicaraguan single origin from Switchback Coffee Roasters here. Yep. This shop is beautiful. This shop is like home. Just about done. It turns out I brought the wrong coffee. I brought the Switchback Coffee Roasters House Blend. That's Lewis, he's a man.
Cheers, my friend.
Not bad for a house blend. It's a little nutty at the end there, right?
Very.
Yeah. I wanted to have Lewis taste the Ethiopian coffee, but I bought the wrong one, but I still have the Nicaraguan, which is the one I really wanted to share. But he's got my back. He's got plenty of coffee here. Alright, so we tasted the Nicaragua from Switchback Coffee Roasters. It was okay. I'm gonna play around with some of the variables when brewing the coffee to see if I get more flavors out of it. But we just had this by Killer Coffee, this Ethiopia, really good. And next up, an Ethiopian coffee from Onyx Coffee Roasters. I don't know where the bag is, but the beans are here, that's what's important. So we're gonna go ahead and brew this coffee. Having a good time, having a good time. That's it, Ethiopia by Onyx Coffee Roasters. They killed it. I just tried 3 different Ethiopian coffees between yesterday and today. Oh man, Onyx. What are you doing?
You've done it again.
Onyx. Dude, you got grapefruit. I even get guava, yeah. Balanced acidity, smooth body. Even through that Chemex filter, nice body. Imagine that as cold brew, man. Wow.
Nothing killer.
Left First Village, we tried a whopping 5 different single origin coffees. Switchback, 49 Parallel, Onyx Coffee Roasters, Tandem. We tried a lot of coffee. It was really, really fun. I am so hyped right now. I drank too much coffee, way too much coffee. And but listen, we're gonna end this video now. Wookie, say bye. Woo-hoo! Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay.